So let's print the fields here in this project. Right here in the while, I'm gonna change products to product because we are gonna print only one product. And for example, you can use this technique. You can add an echo and add a pre tag and add the closing pre tag. And inside you can add var dump product. So save this and reload. And it's right here. And you can see that we have an array and we have the name, the image full, the price, the short description, and the description. So this way you can access these keys to print the values. So for example, the title of this page will be, and I'm going to remove this, product. Then we access using the square brackets and single quotes, and we add name right here. Next, I'm gonna scroll a little bit, and I'm gonna hit on the name of product. I'm gonna add PHP block, echo the value because we want to print this in the HTML, and you can add product name. So next we have this product large, so you can remove this and add, let's copy this, and paste right here. And we're gonna add the image full, so paste right here, and again copy this. And right here we have the name of the product again, so we're gonna paste right here and we're gonna change this to name. We have these paragraphs, we can remove this, add a p tag and the closing p tag, and inside we paste again, and this one is called the description. So we add description, scroll a little bit, and you can see that we have description. This is the short description, so we have something like this. So let's select this code, PHP again, and paste, and well, I added the PHP tag 2 times, so this will be short description. And finally on the price, I'm gonna keep the $sign and I'm gonna paste. This will be price. So save this. You can see at the bottom we are closing the connection, so everything is fine. You can reload this, and now you can see that we have HomeKit. Here on the top we have also HomeKit, the ID one. This is the price, this is the description, this is the image. For example, let's go back to products and let's open this. And I think I made on the image, yeah, I made a small mistake because I have the content is not being changed. It's dynamic, but it's not changing because here on the from products, I didn't add this ID. So here I'm going to add where, and we're going to add ID equals to, and I'm gonna add the PHP, the closing quotes, and I'm gonna add 2 dots here, and inside I'm going to add ID. So save this again, reload, and now you can see we have HomeKit 2. I needed to add the where ID to query only that ID that we need. So let's click on products and open the HomeKit. You can see we have the image, HomeKit, the price, and the description. So let's click on products again. Let's select this one. You can see now we have the image correctly, the name, the description, the price, and the large description, products. And let's see these rocks. You can see we have the rocks, hot rocks, description, and the price. So everything is working correctly. This way, for example, we only have 8 products, but if you use a pure HTML, you have to create 8 different HTML. But let's say that your client gives you 100 products. So you have to create 100 HTML files. Using this technique, you only open this and add some more records to your database. And this is a really simple approach. We only are printing these projects. In case that your client wants a more dynamic website, I recommend always to use a CMS, something like WordPress or Drupal. If your client wants to sell products, you can use something like Magento or PrestaShop, or WordPress has its own e-commerce plugin like WooCommerce. Because developing this functionality from scratch is, well, you will lose a lot of time. So this is the project. I think this is a really cool project. So let's continue in the next video. We're gonna see how to send emails with PHP. This will be a really, really cool project. So let's continue building this project.